Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into adding IP geolocation to your Elementor forms and integrating it with any CRM. This tutorial will cover the necessary steps, code examples, and considerations for a robust implementation. Understanding the goal and technologies involved. Goal we want to automatically capture the location, city, country, etc., of a user submitting an Elementor form without requiring them to manually enter it. This information will be sent to your CRM along with the other form data. Technologies Elementor the WordPress page builder will be using to create and manage the form. WordPress the underlying CMS. Knowledge of PHP, WordPress hooks/actions/filters is vital. IP geolocation API a service that translates an IP address into geographical information. We'll discuss several options. PHP the server-side scripting language that Elementor and WordPress use. We'll use PHP to interact with the IP geolocation API and modify the form data. JavaScript, optional, can be used for front-end enhancements or if you prefer client-side IP retrieval. We'll touch on this. Your CRM example HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, etc. The system where the form data will be sent and stored. We'll assume you already have a process for Elementor to send data to your CRM, example through a webhook or a dedicated integration plugin. 2. Choosing an IP geolocation API. Several IP geolocation APIs are available, both free and paid. Here's a breakdown of some popular options. Free options, limited. Ipapi.co offers a free tier with restrictions on requests per day. Good for testing. ipinfo.io similar to ipapi.co, with a free tier for limited usage. geoipdb.com provides a free API with varying levels of accuracy. Important caveat free services often have stricter rate limits and may not be reliable for production environments. Paid options, recommended for production. MaxMind GeoIP2 Precision Services highly accurate and reliable. Offers both web service and downloadable databases. IP2location.com another provider with various accuracy levels and pricing plans. Abstract API another commercial provider with flexible pricing. Considerations for choosing an API accuracy : how precisely does it pinpoint the location? Rate limits : how many requests can you make per minute/hour/day? Features : what information is returned, city, country, coordinates, time zone, ISP, etc. Pricing : does the pricing scale appropriately with your expected usage? Terms of service : ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. For the following examples, let's assume we're using ipapi.co for its simplicity and because it has a relatively accessible free tier, which is great for this tutorial. Remember to replace it with your chosen API and adjust the code accordingly. 3. Implementation steps. 1. Install Elementor and Elementor Pro. If required, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. Elementor Pro is often required for advanced form features like webhooks. 2. Create the Elementor form ***. In your WordPress admin, go to Pages or Posts and create/edit the page where you want the form. Asterisk open the page with Elementor. Asterisk drag the form widget onto the page. Asterisk add hidden fields. Asterisk this is crucial. We'll use hidden fields to store the geolocation data that we retrieve from the API. Add the following hidden fields to your form. Asterisk IP underscore address. Asterisk city. Asterisk region. Asterisk country. Asterisk latitude. Asterisk longitude. Asterisk important. Asterisk set the advanced dash shortcode property for each hidden field. Example field ID equals IP underscore address, field ID equals city, etc. We'll need these shortcodes later. Asterisk customize other form fields as needed, name, email, etc. Asterisk configure the actions after submit section. This is how you'll send the form data to your CRM. If you are using a webhook action, then make sure it is set up to send the form data correctly to your CRM. If you're using a third-party integration, example a plugin, configure it accordingly. 3. Get the current IP address. We want to get the current IP address and add it to a hidden field we created so we can pass it back with the form data. We will do this with JavaScript so the location request will originate from the client. To add this script, you can use a plugin like Simple Custom CSS and JS or add it directly to your theme's footer.php file, not recommended for theme updates. If using a plugin, add a new custom JS block and paste the code there. Ensure the script is loaded after Elementor scripts. You might need to adjust the script loading priority if you encounter issues. 4. Configure your CRM integration asterisk. Asterisk webhook asterisk if you're using a webhook, ensure the webhook URL is correctly configured in the Elementor Forms actions after submit settings. The hidden fields and their values should now be included in the data sent to your webhook. Asterisk plugin / integration asterisk if you're using a specific CRM integration plugin, example Elementor Pro's HubSpot integration, or a dedicated plugin for Salesforce, configure the plugin to map the Elementor form fields, including the hidden geolocation fields, to the corresponding fields in your CRM. 4. Testing and debugging. Asterisk test thoroughly asterisk submit the form from different locations, using a VPN if needed, to ensure the geolocation data is being captured and sent correctly to your CRM. Asterisk check your CRM asterisk verify that the geolocation fields are being populated with the correct data in your CRM. Asterisk inspect the browser console asterisk look for any JavaScript errors in the browser console. Asterisk check server logs asterisk examine your WordPress server's error logs for any PHP errors related to the IP geolocation API calls. Asterisk use a webhook debugging tool asterisk if you're using a webhook, use a tool like requestbin or webhook.site to inspect the data being sent to your webhook URL. This helps you see exactly what Elementor is sending and identify any issues. V. Important considerations and best practices. Asterisk privacy asterisk be transparent with your users about collecting their location data. Include a privacy policy on your website that explains how you use this information. Comply with relevant data privacy regulations, GDPR, CCPA, etc. Consider offering an option for users to opt out of location tracking. Asterisk caching asterisk WordPress caching plugins can sometimes interfere with dynamic content. If you're experiencing issues, try clearing your cache or configuring your caching plugin to exclude the pages containing the Elementor form. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement robust error handling to gracefully handle situations where the IP geolocation API is unavailable or returns an error. Display informative messages to the user. Asterisk user experience asterisk don't rely solely on geolocation data. Always provide users with the option to manually enter their location if the automatic detection fails or is inaccurate. Security. Be mindful of potential security risks when using external APIs. Sanitize any data received from the API before using it in your database or CRM. GDPR compliance. Ensure you comply with GDPR regulations. This includes informing users about data collection, providing them with the right to access and delete their data, and obtaining consent where necessary. Store IP addresses securely and for a limited time. Consider anonymizing IP addresses before storing them. Data accuracy. Understand that IP geolocation is not always 100% accurate. The accuracy can vary depending on the API provider and the location of the user. Use it as a helpful aid, but don't rely on it as the sole source of truth. 6. Troubleshooting tips. Form not submitting. If the form is not submitting after adding the code, double-check your JavaScript for syntax errors. Also, ensure that the script is loaded after Elementor scripts. Geolocation data not being captured. Verify that the hidden fields are correctly named and that the JavaScript code is correctly targeting those fields. Use the browser's developer tools to inspect the form data being submitted. API errors. Check the API provider's documentation for error codes and messages. Make sure your API key, if required, is valid and that you haven't exceeded your rate limits. Conflicts. If you're experiencing conflicts with other plugins, try deactivating plugins one by one to identify the source of the conflict. This comprehensive tutorial provides you with a solid foundation for adding IP geolocation to your Elementor forms and integrating it with your CRM. Remember to adapt the code and configuration to your specific needs and CRM integration method. Good luck.